Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to move to the next video on the YouTube in a shortcut way. Okay, so let's get started. So I'll just mention it here in a shortcut way. Okay, so how to move to the next video on YouTube in a shortcut way. Okay, so let's get started. So I have already opened the YouTube and here you can see so many videos. Okay, suppose if you click on any one of the videos, okay, and suppose if you want to move to the next video means you can just easily press shift and then suppose if you press shift and then it will move to the next video. Okay, this is the shortcut way and one of the easiest way where you can move to the next video on the YouTube platform. Okay, so if you want to know more about the shortcuts, what are the shortcut ways are there on the YouTube means, for that what you can do is like you can just go to the YouTube and here you can just click on this particular top right on your profile pic icon. So once you click on that, you can just scroll down and here you can see the keyboard shortcuts. Okay, so here you can see all the keyboard shortcuts related to the YouTube platform. Okay, so just now I have shown you like shift and N to move to the next video. If you want to move to the previous video means you can just press shift plus. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.